Long before the modern world understood the true limits of power, there walked a power who commanded the very fabric of reality. He did not just defy the laws of nature, he rewrote them. From the microscopic edge of an atom to the towering shadow of a mountain, he held the keys to 17 divine forces. He is none other than Hanumanji, Bajrangbali. We all chant the Hanuman Chalisa, but there's one line that most people repeat without truly understanding its depth. Ashtasiddhi Navanidhi ke Data. Sounds powerful, right? But do you know what it actually means? Because hidden inside this one line are 17 divine secrets that can transform your life. And this is the legacy of the Ashtasiddhi and the Navanidhi. Let's go back to the moment that changed everything. After crossing the ocean, after burning Lanka, after facing impossible odds, Hanuman finally found Mata Sita in Ashok Vatika. He didn't ask for glory, he didn't ask for reward, he simply delivered Lord Ram's message with pure devotion. And in that moment, Mata Sita saw something rare, selfless power. So, she gave him a boon, not just a blessing, but authority. She said, "You will have the power to grant the Ashtasiddhis and the Navanidhis to your devotees." Think about that. Hanuman didn't just receive powers, he became the giver of powers. These Ashtasiddhis are not just supernatural abilities, they represent mastery over reality itself. Let us see what each of these Ashtasiddhis are and its deeper meaning. Anima, the power to become smaller than an atom, symbolizes humility and subtlety. Mahima, to expand infinitely, to become larger than your fears. Garima, to become infinitely heavy, that symbolizes unshakable determination. Laghima, to become lighter than air, that symbolizes freedom from burdens. Prapti, to reach anywhere, attain anything, symbolizes limitless access and opportunity. Prakamya, irresistible will, the power to make desires a reality. Ishita, divine lordship, symbolizes command over circumstances. Vashita or Vasitva, that is control and influence, mastery over mind and emotions. These are not just powers, these are life upgrades. Now comes something even more fascinating, the Navanidhis, the 9 treasures of abundance. But they are not just about money, they represent something more deep, and they are the Mahapadma, the great lotus, which represents absolute purity and immense wealth that spans generations. Padma, the lotus, associated with spiritual growth and a vast collection of precious stones. Shankha, the conch, symbolizes wealth gained through trade, sound, and ocean related treasures. Makar, the crocodile, represents wealth stored in the form of armory, weapons, or collections of great value. Kachap, the tortoise, symbolizes steady, long term wealth and self contained security. Kumud, the white lotus, represents silver, ornaments, and the beauty of the arts. Neel, the blue sapphire, symbolizes gems, precious metals, and sharp intelligence in managing wealth. Kharva represents diverse, versatile assets and the protection of resources. This means Hanuman just doesn't remove problems, he builds your entire life. So, what does this verse truly mean? It's not saying Hanuman randomly gives powers. It's saying if you walk the path of devotion, discipline, and selflessness, you unlock strength of mind, freedom from fear, abundance in life, and control over your destiny. Because Hanuman represents the highest version of yourself. So, the next time you chant Ashtasiddhi Navanidhi ke Data, don't just repeat it, feel it, understand it, claim it, because that blessing was not meant for Hanuman alone. It was meant for every true devotee. If you felt this energy, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Jai Bajrangbali. Namaskar.